Hey friends, if you encounter OneDrive personal vault error code 0x80070490, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So I'll tell you what the personal vault is. When you open your OneDrive, you will notice that there's something called as a personal vault. Now, I cannot open this for it has some personal documents. So personal vault is where you can lock this folder with your password and everything, but at times you will not be able to access it. So I guess that the only best solution will be to reset OneDrive. Now we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy this script, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so this will reset OneDrive and eventually it will open it once again. Wait. And then the next one is to update Windows. Why? Because personal vault needs a specific security protocol, and if that one doesn't exist, then you will not be able to access it. So we need to make sure that all the latest security updates are installed on the system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.